Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Help channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about I-129F supporting documents for K3 visa. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS website and also based on my personal experience with this form. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. First item you need is Form I-129F printed and signed by the petitioner. If your form is not signed, your form will be rejected, period. There is no doubt about it. It must be signed with a black ink. Do not initial it or print your name. It must be signed with a black ink. You need a proof of citizenship. You will need a copy of your birth certificate, copy of your naturalized certificate or certificate of citizenship issued by USCIS or the former Immigration and Naturalization Service, INS. You need a copy of Form FS-240, Consular Report of Birth Abroad, issued by U.S. Embassy or U.S. Consulate, a copy of your unexpired U.S. passport, an original statement form of U.S. Consular officer verifying that you are a citizen with a valid passport. So you can pick one that you can pick the one that you have. So you have 5 here. So in my case, I submitted the naturalization certificate. Number 3, prior marriage certificates, if any. Evidence you or your spouse, which is a fiancé, legally terminated any previous marriages for the petitioner and the applicant. You will need a final divorce decree. You need annulment order or death certificate of prior spouse if they are deceased. And if this documentation is not in English, it must be translated to English by a competent or certified translator. 4, you will need 2 identical color photographs. It's going to be 2 by 2. You must submit 2 identical color passport style photographs of yourself and your spouse as a fiancé, taken within 30 days of filing this petition. And lightly in the back, print your name and a number. By the way, for photo requirement, if you go to any photo center and you tell them just I need the passport style photo, they will do it for you. If you go to CVS or Walgreens, they will do that for you. Number 5, legal valid record of name change. If either you were or your spouse was previously married and the names were changed, you must submit copies of official documents showing legal name change. And if they are not in English, they must be translated to English. Number 6, you need a copy of I-797C and marriage certificate. To file I-129F for your spouse as a fiancé, you need first to file Form I-130 and received I-797C notice of action showing you have filed Form I-130 petition for alien relative on behalf of your spouse, unless the Form I-129F and I-130 are concurrently filed. You need a marriage certificate issued by the appropriate civil authority showing your valid marriage to the beneficiary. You need a marriage certificate. And if it's not in English, it must be translated to English as well. 7. The filing fee. If you file I-130, the filing fee is 0. There is no filing for I-129F for a spouse if you file I-130. All documents must be translated to English by a certified translator. Do not translate them by yourself. It must be certified translator. I-129 supporting I-129F supporting documents. First one, you need a Form I-129F printed and signed by the petitioner with a black ink. Item number 2, you need a copy of an expired U.S. passport or a copy of naturalization certificate issued by USCIS or a proof of citizenship. Item number 3, you need a copy of prior marriage certificate. Submit a copies of documents showing that each of the prior marriages was legally terminated. A lot of people ask me this question right here. They still, they are separated, but they are not legally separated. Means you still married. Just put that in your mind. Item number 4, a copy of legal name change, if any. Item number 5, you need a copy of your I-797C. Item number 6, you need a copy of marriage certificate. Item number 7 is 2 identical color photographs, 2x2 white background for yourself and spouse, and must print your name and a number in the back. Now I want to give this because it is very, very important. A lot of people make this small mistake, but it costs you a lot of time and sometimes money as well. The Form I-129F will be rejected if the Form I-129F is not signed or signed with a different color than black. Number 2, incorrect payment or typo error on the form of payment. Make sure you have correct payment and do not make the typo error on the form of payment, a check or money order. Your case will be delayed if you did not submit the required evidence. As I mentioned before, each case is different. You must submit the required document that you will see will work for your case. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you and see you next video.